Do you understand that you're pleading guilty to one offense? That's the offense of first-degree murder. It is a felony. It carries the maximum penalty of death or life without the possibility of parole. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Do you personally plead guilty to the charge I just described?
Yes, sir.
And did you in fact murder your wife, Lauren Hugelmaier Phelps, by stabbing her multiple times?
Yes, sir.
Says you're going to plead guilty to the offense I just described. You'll be sentenced to life without the possibility of parole in the custody of North Carolina Division of Adult Correction, and you will not be eligible for parole. Is that your arrangement, sir?
Yes, sir.